During the last Mormugao Port Authority has handled 21.01 million tons of cargo. Last year the figure was 18.1 million tons, so we have grown by almost 16% this financial year, and that is the highest growth among the major ports. All the major ports have grown totally from 854 million tons last year. It has come to 915 million tons this year. So every major port has grown, but the topmost growth was demonstrated by Mormugao Port Authority. We are very happy about that. And with me I have Vinayak Rao, Deputy Chairman, and the Traffic Manager, Mr. Jerome Clement. So it has been a brilliant teamwork for this majestic growth this financial year.
Sir, any cargo that did very well in this growth of yours? Any specific cargo, or was it all general cargo?
The almost whenever we grow, the perception is that we have handled more coal. It is not like that. Every year the coal handling is constant as per the consent to operate. But what has grown is the iron ore, basically, then limestone, steel, and other cargo, which we have handled more this year. A little bit of containers, because we started containers last November. But basically the growth has been in steel, limestone, bauxite, and what else, Jano? Any other? Fertilizers. So basically this has been the growth.
So when we talk about the port, as of now war is ongoing, Hormuz Strait, a lot of ships are there. Any effect to the port, Mormugao Port Authority, directly, indirectly, especially at berth number 10, 11, liquid ammonia cargo was there. Any issues with that as of now?
I think we had very limited, maybe we lost around 0.5 million ton of cargo, basically 2-3 vessels which were supposed to come via Hormuz Strait. What was the cargo? Was I think gypsum, bauxite. But basically the effect was minimal, and even POIL also. We are basically getting 3 tankers every month. So we are getting the 3 tankers even now. So far the effect has been very minimal, but we'll have to wait and watch for the next 3-4 months how that will be affecting all the major ports.